Do you see this? Do you? 'Cause I do. And I'm sure that I'm not the only woman on the earth facing this problem. But there's a super promising bra that I keep watching on TikTok. And guess what? I bought it so you don't have to. Let's try it. So I'm closing it here, then I pull it. Let's bend down and jump. Shake them. Oh my god, it's really working. I feel them so tight. Those boobies won't go anywhere.
This is so awesome. Come with me. Was it a really necessary purchase? I don't have the right answer for you guys. Have you ever wondered if you really need this gadget? The answer is a little bit obvious.
I just received this levitating light bulb. I'm so excited. All we have to do is gently place it on top, and after a few tries, it floats on its own. And it works like a normal bulb.
We've all had these moments drinking from the milk bottle directly, right? Well, no more. This is what I got after seeing it on TikTok. Never have to deal with these hygiene problems again. Throw them out the window. What a cool invention, and it's so easy to use.
Oh my god, I saw a girl using this foam maker on TikTok and I just received it. I can't wait to try it. Pick your favorite cleanser, add some water, and start pumping. Wow, it looks like a marshmallow foam. Feels really, really nice on my skin.
Now, this is how all glue should be. I saw this on TikTok the other day and I had to get it. Look at this. The perfect tool for repairs, on the go, and DIY projects. It cures in seconds to make a strong and lasting bond. Dries and hardens clear for less noticeable repairs. Let's take my broken glasses and try it out. Water resistant and heat resistant properties. Bish bash bosh and it's done. It's that simple. Amazing bite. I love it. There's no breaking this. Anyone else have this problem? Putting a few of your plugs in and then you're out of space? Introducing the curved outlet extender from Amazon. You can use all your devices no matter how big the plugs are. No more problems with these pesky cables.
This is a face roller I saw on TikTok, and it's made out of volcanic stone. It's supposed to smoothen your skin out completely if you are as oily as me. It actually works. Can you see the difference? Look, here it is with the product and here without the product. This product is 10 out of 10.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?